Welcome to the Ultimate Kitchen Gadget Countdown for 2025. From cutting-edge smart tools to genius designs that make cooking a breeze, we've scoured the market to bring you the top 25 must-have gadgets this year. Whether you're a pro chef or just love experimenting in the kitchen, these innovative picks are guaranteed to level up your cooking game. Let's dive in. The Enchanti Tea Magic Pot, a beautifully crafted teapot that blends innovation and elegance for the perfect tea experience. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it features a magnetic switch filtration system that keeps tea leaves separate from the brewed liquid, ensuring every sip is smooth and perfectly steeped. The drip-free spout and anti-scalding wooden handle offer precision and comfort, while its stylish design seamlessly complements any setting. Ideal for both hot and cold beverages, this teapot makes brewing, filtering, and pouring effortless, elevating your tea rituals to a whole new level of sophistication. The Pickle and Olive Hourglass Jar by Homnoble is a game-changer for pickle lovers, featuring an innovative two-compartment design that separates liquids from food with a simple flip. Crafted from durable, lead-free borosilicate glass with a BPA-free lid, it ensures safe, airtight storage and leak-proof performance. The wide-mouth jar is easy to clean and perfect for preserving a variety of pickles, olives, or kimchi. Its sleek, functional design, complete with non-skid silicone, makes it ideal for refrigerators or countertop displays, bringing convenience and style to your kitchen. The Utopia DoorStash Dishwasher Pod Holder is a smart and stylish solution for organizing your kitchen essentials. Designed to hold over 50 dishwasher pods, it features a convenient flip-down bin for easy access. The top tray offers extra space for small items like sponges and brushes, while the soft non-slip steel bracket ensures a secure scratch-free fit on standard cabinet doors. Made from BPA-free recycled plastic with a speckled white finish and anti-fingerprint steel accents, this pod holder combines functionality and elegance. Easy to set up with no tools required, it's a must-have for a clutter-free kitchen. The GMTSL 3-tier Bamboo Fruit Basket. Made from high-quality bamboo, this stylish and durable stand features ventilated partitions to keep fruits and vegetables fresh. With a stable trapezoidal structure and non-slip pads, it stays secure while protecting your countertops. The three spacious baskets paired with two detachable banana hooks provide ample storage for fruits, vegetables, bread, and snacks. Its versatile design makes it perfect for any space, whether as a countertop fruit holder or a multi-purpose storage rack. Easy to assemble and built for convenience, it's a functional and elegant addition to any home. The NutriBullet Every-Grain Cooker is your all-in-one solution for perfectly cooking grains and more. With presets for brown rice, white rice, oats, quinoa, and other grains, plus a steam function for veggies and fish, it offers unmatched versatility. Its 10-minute cup non-stick pot and stackable steaming basket allow for simultaneous cooking, making meal prep a breeze. Built to last with durable, PFOA-free materials, this cooker is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe accessories. Compact and efficient, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen while delivering perfectly cooked meals every time. The NexaEase Portable Blender is a powerful and compact solution for blending on the go. With a robust motor and durable stainless steel blades, it easily handles everything from smoothies and shakes to ice and frozen fruits. Its lightweight design includes a BPA-free bottle, an insulated sleeve to keep drinks fresh, and USB-C charging for ultimate convenience. Featuring dual modes for soft or tough ingredients, this stylish and versatile blender is perfect for busy individuals and makes a thoughtful gift for health and fitness enthusiasts. The Com4 Sport Stainless Steel Oil Filter Pot is a versatile and durable kitchen essential, designed for convenience and efficiency. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, it features a built-in fine mesh filter, frying basket, and anti-hot silicone mitts, making it ideal for frying, straining, and storing cooking oil. Its deep design reduces oil usage, while the dense filter keeps oil clean and reusable. This sleek, rust-translated pot is compatible with all stove types and perfect for frying, boiling, or even camping, combining practicality and elegance for any kitchen setup. The Finamel battery-operated salt and pepper grinder set combines convenience and innovation for home cooking. Featuring interchangeable spice pods, it allows you to easily grind and switch spices while maintaining their pure flavors. The ceramic grinding elements ensure durability, while the adjustable coarseness knob provides personalized seasoning. With a sleek design, wide opening for easy refilling, and simple one-handed operation, the Once for All 5-in-1 safe mandolin slicer simplifies meal prep with its versatile design. Offering multiple slicing options including julienne, matchstick, and dicing, it allows adjustable thickness for precise cuts without blade changes. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this durable and collapsible slicer is easy with hidden blades and safety features. It's a hassle-free, efficient tool for slicing vegetables and fruits, making it a must-have for any kitchen. The Motirolu multifunctional fruit and veggie washing bowl is a versatile kitchen tool that combines a colander, draining basket, and storage bowl. Designed with a unique mesh lid for efficient washing and draining, it features a foldable handle for easy storage and portability. The large-capacity design allows for easy washing of fruits and vegetables, while the disassemblable structure ensures thorough cleaning. Made from food-grade durable plastic, this convenient tool helps maintain freshness and is perfect for everyday kitchen use. The Artewo magnetic refillable plastic wrap dispenser with cutter is a convenient and efficient kitchen tool for storing and cutting plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and parchment paper. Featuring a two-way sliding blade, it ensures a neat and safe cutting experience. The magnetic base allows the dispenser to be easily attached to metal surfaces, saving counter space. Made from durable, odorless ABS material, it is designed for long-term use. Ideal for household use, this versatile dispenser accommodates various roll sizes and offers easy access to cling wrap and foil for everyday food storage and preservation needs. The Mistozer magnetic spice rack set offers a sleek and efficient storage solution for kitchens with limited space. This 4-pack of racks attaches easily to refrigerator doors using powerful magnets, freeing up valuable counter and cabinet space. Each rack can hold up to 12 spice jars or bottles, keeping your spices organized and easily accessible. The racks are made from durable plastic and feature a detachable, washable design, ensuring long-lasting use. Perfect for maximizing storage in any kitchen, these racks offer a simple, tool-free installation process. The Zule rotary cheese grater offers a safe, efficient, and versatile way to shred cheese and vegetables. Featuring 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it allows you to grate, slice, and shred with ease. The grater includes a food pusher to keep your hands safe and a strong suction base to prevent slipping during use. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and the dishwasher-safe components ensure hassle-free cleaning. Ideal for both left and right-handed users, this grater is perfect for quickly preparing cheese, vegetables, and more while saving time and effort in the kitchen. The 4-star 9-in-1 vegetable chopper is designed to make meal prep faster and more convenient, with 4 stainless steel blades for dicing, julienning, and spiralizing. It easily handles vegetables, fruits, and even cheese. The spacious 1.5L catch tray reduces mess, and the anti-slip bumper ensures stability during use. A standout feature is its self-cleaning function, which removes 99% of food residue with just a push of a button, making cleanup effortless. Compact yet versatile, this chopper is perfect for small kitchens and busy cooks, helping you create healthy meals in no time. The Joseph Spice Rack Organizer is a practical under-shelf storage solution designed to maximize kitchen space. With a pull-out compartment, it easily mounts using non-marking adhesive tape, providing organized storage for up to 7 standard spice jars. This compact and efficient organizer makes it easy to access your spices while keeping your kitchen essentials neatly arranged. Made from durable plastic, it helps you utilize unused space beneath existing shelves for a clutter-free kitchen. Some assembly is required for installation. The Sterlix pancake batter dispenser is designed for precise, mess-free dispensing of batters for pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, and more. With a 4x cup capacity and clear measurement markings, it helps you easily control the amount of batter, making it ideal for family breakfasts or larger gatherings. The ergonomic, non-slip grip handle ensures a secure hold, and the convenient shutoff valve prevents drips, keeping your kitchen tidy. Crafted with precision, this durable dispenser is a reliable addition to your baking tools, perfect for both beginners and seasoned chefs. The Zule Kitchen Cast Iron Orange Juice Squeezer is a heavy-duty, manual citrus press that effortlessly extracts every drop of juice from a variety of fruits. Its 5-inch citrus bowl is perfect for limes, lemons, oranges, and even larger fruits like grapefruits and pomegranates. Made from durable cast iron with a comfortable grip handle, this juicer is designed for long-lasting use. The stable rubberized base prevents slipping, while its detachable, dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning quick and easy. Ideal for both professional kitchens and home use, the Zule juicer is backed by a lifetime guarantee for added peace of mind. The Jouy 16 Oz olive oil sprayer is a versatile and durable kitchen gadget designed for precise oil dispensing. Made of thick, high-quality glass, it ensures safety and is resistant to breakage. This 2-in-1 sprayer offers both a fine mist spray and a steady pour option, allowing for easy control of oil usage during cooking or baking. With a large 16 Oz capacity, it reduces the need for frequent refills and features a wide bottle opening for easy filling. Suitable for various oils including olive, avocado, and coconut oil. It also comes with label paper for easy customization. The Elite Gourmet Electric Jar Opener is a high-powered, battery-operated kitchen tool designed to effortlessly remove tight lids and bottle caps. Its self-guided, auto-sized grip senses the size of most lids and automatically adjusts to ensure a firm twist removal. With one-tip operation, it opens jars of various sizes, making it suitable for both small and large lids. This compact, easy-to-store opener works on a variety of jars, bottles, and containers, offering convenience and efficiency in the kitchen, ideal for those seeking a hassle-free lid-leaping solution. The original under-cabinet jar opener is a convenient solution for easily opening any size jar or bottle, especially for individuals with weak hands or arthritis. Featuring a sharp dual carbon steel teeth design, it grips lids securely and does all the work, eliminating strain on your hands and wrists. Made in the USA and family-owned since its invention in 1977, this durable, space-saving kitchen gadget is a must-have for those with limited hand strength or seniors. The automatic magnetic stirring coffee mug offers a convenient and fun way to mix hot or cold drinks with ease. Perfect for coffee, tea, cocoa, protein shakes, and more, it evenly blends liquid and powdered beverages at the press of a button. This self-stirring mug features a stainless steel liner and a sleek plastic shell, making it ideal for both home and on-the-go use. Easy to clean and operate, it runs on AAA batteries and makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys perfectly mixed drinks. The automatic rechargeable closet light by Joyzy offers gentle, flicker-free illumination, perfect for kitchens, closets, and bathrooms. With motion and light sensor modes, it saves energy by activating only when needed. Easy to install with magnets and adhesive, it's rechargeable via USB and offers long-lasting performance. Stylish and efficient, it's the perfect lighting solution for any space. The Ninja Foodi Personal Smoothie Maker offers premium blending performance with a powerful motor, perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. It features a smoothie bowl maker for thick blends, a nutrient extraction cup for smooth extractions, and smart torque technology to handle heavy loads without stalling. With versatile functions and Auto IQ technology, it takes the guesswork out of blending. Just center. Plus, it's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts, making it a convenient and efficient kitchen companion. The LODLife electric warming tray is a versatile kitchen essential with 7 adjustable temperature settings to keep food warm for hours. Its foldable design saves space while the efficient even heating ensures your dishes stay at the perfect temperature. With safety features like a child lock and automatic shut-off, it's ideal for parties, family gatherings, and special occasions. Compatible with various tableware materials, this warming tray is perfect for keeping your meals ready to serve while adding convenience and style to any event. The fresh-made fruit storage containers are designed to keep your fruits, vegetables, and other produce fresh longer. Featuring removable colanders and airtight seals, these containers help prevent moisture loss and organize your fridge efficiently. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, they are dishwasher and microwave safe for easy cleaning. With various sizes to suit different types of produce, these stackable containers maximize fridge space while maintaining freshness. Ideal for storing berries, vegetables, and meats, they offer a convenient solution for meal prep and leftovers.